Dry shampoo volume paste. Now this is another one of our most innovative products in the range. I really do love this product. This is a combination of 3 products. It's a volume powder and a paste and a dry shampoo all mixed in one. Now this is great to remove any excess oils in the hair. If you want that second day look hair, this is perfect. Quite simple and easy to apply. So, pop in your hands, rub it through, and I can feel that texture. I can feel the grit, I can feel the volume powder and the paste. So you rub that through your hands and you start working it through the hair. Now this has got some great ingredients in this product. It's got some coconut oil, which helps hair retain its protein. It's got sunflower extracts, which moisturizes the hair, but you still want the hair to feel quite moisturized. It has soybean oil, vitamin E, which conditions hair while adding natural shine, but you still want some shine in here. And as you can see, just go through, work it through. I've worked it through the hair, build it up. Just create that nice movement. It's giving me a beautiful volume. So you can flip it from side to side. It's really workable. Let's see. It's just giving me that beautiful height that I'm after. So you can flip it back again. I really do love this product. And like I said, you can work it through and keep playing with it. And go back to this side. You scrunch it in your hands. And there you have it.